Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to call Siri using your earbuds Philips. So, controls on your earbuds located at the back side. Right here at the top we have both controls. You need to call a Siri, you need to press and hold the touch controls on your left or right earbud. So let's check first the right one, press and hold. And as you can see, I just call a Siri. Let's check the left one, press and hold. And I also call the Siri. This one is only one option, because there is no dedicated app for these earbuds. So we cannot customize them, so we cannot add this feature to another gesture. Only press and hold. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.